Hello, it's Leonie West from Westalee Design, and I'm using a Pfaff Grand Quilter with our high shank ruler foot. I'm using our Spinifex number 2 in the 5.5 inch size, and I've marked crosshairs on my quilt. So what I'm going to do, as with Spinifex, we sew around the inside of the template. So we've lined up our reference lines at the centre of the crosshair, and I'm just going to sew around the inside of that template, come back down. When you get to corners, it's really nice to just stop and then start again. You get a much nicer point. Stopping in the centre, stopping with our foot, our needle down. I'm now going to turn that template, line up my lines on the crosshairs again, and I'm going to sew the other side. The Spinifex tools are designed to give you 4 rotations, 8 rotations, 16 rotations. The more rotations you put into your design, the more complex it becomes. I'm now going to stop there, turn that template again. I'm lining up those reference lines. Stopping in the centre, turn the template, aligning the reference lines. Spinifex are great, they give you a really good effect quite quickly and easily. You can use Spinifex doing the whole rotations and working around in a circle, or if you want, you can just do half a Spinifex. So I've done the first 4 rotations, and I'm now going to do the next 4 rotations. So all I'm doing is lining up my reference marks again. I like to work one side and then the other side. That way I get less crossovers in the middle than if I went backwards and forwards over the centre. Stopping again at the centre, rotate the template, align the reference lines. Back to the centre and stopping. When you stop needle down, it makes everything stay in place because the needle holds the ruler foot into the position where that ruler foot wants to stay. Stopping again, turning the template, and we only have one rotation left to do. Back in the centre. I've now taken the template away, cut the threads, and that's Spinifex number 2 in a 5.5 inch size.